Milk Thistle Standardized by Nature's Way 120 VegCap Milk Thistle Standardized protective against potentially harmful substances in the liver. Milk thistle extract is standardized to 80 Silymarin. Silymarin is the key constituent that exerts a protective effect against substances potentially harmful to the liver. Nature's Way Standardized Milk Thistle extract is a technically advanced herbal product. Standardization assures specific measurable levels of important compounds that provide beneficial activity in the body. Endures the damaging effects of alcohol, RX drugs and AMP. Unhealthy diets, revitalize and AMP. Cleanse your overworked liver in mere days naturally. All without the devastating side effects of drugs. Check out Liver Detox Plus at www.howtocleansetheliver.org before you buy any supplements to treat liver disease.